Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and I recently got this Tangled The Series Rapunzel doll that I want to review for you guys. As you can see, she comes in this really simple box that says Rapunzel. She has 16 points of articulation and is from the Disney Store. At this side you can see this beautiful artwork for Rapunzel swinging from her own hair, and on the other side it shows Pascal. The back is really simple as well and says that it's Rapunzel from Tangled The Series. It also has the Disney Channel logo and the price of the doll, which is £16 or 21 euros. And of course, I'm taking this beauty out of the box. When she's out of the box, with the right kind of balancing, it is possible to make this doll stand on her own. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll put her on a stand that I already have. First, let's state the obvious. Her hair is incredibly long. I already knew that her hair was gonna be long, but I'm still really surprised with the length of hair that she has. At the first touch, the hair feels pretty decent, but I've already heard some bad reviews about her hair, so I hope the hair will stay this pretty. The front of the hair is gelled, with this flower piece attached to it. Her face really captures the Tangled The Series look so well, and I'm really impressed with how they made her face so perfect. Rapunzel is wearing this dark purple, long sleeve dress that is laced up in the front. It really looks like the outfit she wears in the series as well. The skirt part of the dress is really glittery, and it does transfer a lot of glitters to your hands. Just like in the movie, Rapunzel is barefoot and the doll has these giant feet. When it comes to articulation, Rapunzel moves at the head, the shoulder, the elbow and the wrists. She has a chest joint and moves at the hips. This doll has a super cool double jointed knee similar to the Made to Move Barbies. And her feet move as well. Then Rapunzel also came with her friend Pascal, which is super cute. Another thing that I really love about this doll is that she comes with a frying pan that has a handle to make sure the doll can easily hold it. I really love this doll and all the accessories she came with. Since I just got this doll, I also want to add her to my Gemr collection. Gemr is a free app in which you can showcase your collection and look at other people's collections. As you can see, I already have my custom Ever After High, Monster High and Disney doll collection in this app. Gemr gives me a really nice view of all the collected dolls I have and also lets other people see them as well. Adding a new collection is really easy. You click the collected box, upload the pictures you want to show for this item, and give your item a fitting name and description. Then you choose in which of your collections you want the doll to show up, which in my case is Disney dolls. You can also add your item to existing groups to make sure other Gemr users will see that you have added this item to your collection. And you're done! When you go to the doll group now, you can see that I have added my Tangled The Series Rapunzel doll. You can also see items that someone else collected and leave comments on their items. If you want to join me at Gemr, please make sure to create an account using the link you can find in my video description and follow my page at TheDollBoy. I did try to wash Rapunzel's hair with cold water and conditioner to get the gel out, and I did notice that her ends got really dry. To make sure her hair won't get tangled, I cut a small bit of the ends to make sure her hair is all nice and fresh again. I really hope you liked this review. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram at TheDollBoy. See you next time!